कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ban Pynsuk y Kmie Kaba jungi kina Skul haka jungi day kam jongki ha Skul nakabenta ki babon ki kam klem dadan kam malit mi sha Skul kini ka kin hon kala pinmi da ka app kala tip kum ka prayak edu nglayo banyak kendu ya ka kin hon ka pinmi ya kini ka app haka jungon pen pau per thai jongki shpang ka app haka prime ka penyo expo araja apusau link ba kini ka app la da ka don ka no ka jingja yeng hasam ki Kmie Kaba kila ban pan chuti na Skul tang da ka pen tre kam link ba kini ka app Nang ta ki Kmie Kaba kilap ban siu ya ka by school ru ling ba kini ka app ba kilap ban tip ya ki babon ki jing tip kom ka attendance jong ki khon jong ki report card ba ki wei pat tang dak ba play ya kini ka app kalong ka basuk ya ki ban pindan kam namal ba kilap ban pindan kam klam internet ru hadut menta ki dan artli ki Skul ki blas dang pentre kam ya kini ka app kata ka St Mary's ba ka St Anthony's
So I'm the BD of the School ERP project I do. Basically, it's a school ERP which manages school data and administrative function of the school. So through this app, like parents doesn't have any difficulties. So because like right now there are circumstances in the home, maybe due to death in family, or maybe something like they can call like a marriages. Why do parents have to go to school when they can apply for leave application from here? So the principal will accept or reject and it will be notified to the parents instantly at that time. So the best thing about this app, it works without internet too. And you can check the features too, the profile of the student teacher, and that will be very good. And you can edit too based on whatever requirement is done. And the third thing about this app is like online fees payment is available. So when you click on online fees payment, the fees receipt, you can download it there only and it will be similar as in the bank. So it will be authorized the same. Plus there are online admission. Suppose for a school, like there are around like they need 500 maybe vacancies available for the school. So for that 500, once it's done, it'll finish. So that online admission is available. And the language in this app is English, Khasi, Garo, Hindi, Nepali, Assamese and Bangla too. And we are working on other languages too. It'll be displayed very soon. And you can even like a report card can be generated, mark sheet can be generated, and you can check the attendance of the student, performance of the student every monthly. And based on that app, suppose our parents has to go to a work. Maybe like for them returning back home will be difficult. So through this app, they get to communication between the school and the parents very easily. Like right now, I'll give you an example. Issuing of books is like through schools nowadays. So what do? Parents, instead of going to school asking when are we getting books and all for the kids, it's not possible for that because it might be going to work and all. So through this app, the school posts something like from like nursery to class 10, book issue date will be on that day and the price will be that day. So for parents, it's easier for them, like they know instantly what is required. And this app detects to like who is using the app, who is not using the app. So sometimes we do send SMS to that parents so that they receive it. There might be a network problem. So they receive notices in the form of SMS too. And yes, permission control is easy and it's very easy to use. No difficulties in using the app, easy communication. And we have online support. Every time we support them and we keep one staff somewhere just to like focus with that school. Suppose right now if some school links up with us, they have one technical staff who will always be assessing them. And I know it won't be hectic for the school to use this app too because we have given all our helpline number. Parents will be coming to us for like any case they have problems with the app and all, we will be helping them. We'll be like solving their problems and all. So till now like the rating has been very good. It's 4.7 and basically it was launched by our CM. Till now we have not got into the market because it's just because not a good time those 2 years. So right now is the best time. So we want like every like school, not only in Shillong, maybe our in Northeast too, to join hands with us in this app to support the local startup only. It'll be good time for us and also it'll be a good pleasure like for us like helping you to learn about the technology, about the app too.
The school is what type of Kmie?
Now is Anthony's and St. Mary's. So they are the two schools with us right now. So we have shown them on to many schools and all. It's just because they are in the middle of something, they have not like approached it. So like we'll hope we'll go into the market very soon. Again, we'll just advertise, and we can. One thing about the app is like we can customize features according to the school need to. Sometimes they didn't want these features, so we'll work according to them also we can. So we have just named the app Prayak Edu, but it's plus a whole sum of education app only. So there are many things in it.
Competitions trong people don't
Yeah, we have competition like, but mostly like outsiders and all. We believe in our quality. That's the best thing. So if we have a good quality, then everyone will be joining hand with us only.